Cough keeping you up? Honey, we've got you covered. Wrap your troubles in a warm, soothing blanket of honey and lemon tea. This classic combo is Mother Nature's way of saying, "Hey, I've got your back." Feeling adventurous? Mix in a dash of ginger. It's like a superhero for your throat, fighting off those pesky cough-causing villains. And don't forget hydration. Water, it's not just for plants. It keeps your throat moist and comfortable. So conquer your cough with these simple, natural remedies. Remember to share the wellness. Hit that like, follow, and subscribe. And here's to better nights and brighter days.